You know, it seems the older you get, the harder it is to get up inside the ambulance. It's about 17 inches up off the ground, and, well, my wife is known for her diminutive size. And these old bones don't like climbing in there that much, and when we were doing the demolition, we were in and out of there quite a bit. Most of the wear and tear on our bodies was climbing in and out of that ambulance. So I've got two choices. I can put in an elevator, or I could put in a step. I opted for the second option because it's cheaper. ETD, this is the manufacturer that made this stair, and we got this particular model right here, the double step. We're going to be installing it on the Big Pig today. All right, now we're going to find out how this is attached and if we have to grind it out or if we have to beat it with our bare knuckles. Yeah, we can work on the bottom now. Ho, ho, ho. Doesn't operate very well the other way. I haven't got the arm strength for this. Try to operate it. No? No. All right, try it now. Definitely gonna need a spacer. Okay, now we know how big of a bolt we need. And we know approximately how long. So we're gonna go for a 1.5 inch long bolt with nuts and fender washers to go to the inside. And we're going to use the channel iron and unistrut to act as spacers. Off to the store. Oh, so close.
It's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind.